Yes.
So I'm here to ask our brother, today is Democracy Day, whether are we practicing democracy in Nigeria or not. So sir, are we practicing democracy in Nigeria?
We are not practicing democracy in Nigeria because nobody is free to air his thoughts in this country. Anybody who speaks or who protests against the killings or what is happening in Nigeria, the person will be killed.
Okay, anybody who protests,
Yes.
peaceful protests,
Yes.
and anybody who speak up,
They will kill him.
It's a very terrible situation. Though I have seen it many times where some Nigerians, they will come out to do peaceful protests, they will throw them tear gas, shoot them, and slaughter them. It's a very pity. Today is June 12th. Now, today is Democracy Day in Nigeria. So I want to ask him whether are we practicing democracy in Nigeria or not. So, sir, please, are we practicing democracy in Nigeria?
No democracy in Nigeria. No democracy
In Nigeria?
in Nigeria at all. No democracy. Because if you see what happened in Nigeria today, if you come out and then to protest, soldiers will, army will push Sharia and change everywhere. So no democracy in Nigeria.
So you have heard it. There is no democracy in Nigeria. Our leaders, please, you people should change and do the right thing, because we are seeing it. When people will come out to do peaceful protests, they will shoot them, they will slaughter them, and everybody is complaining the same thing. So sir, today is June 12th, democracy in Nigeria. So are we practicing democracy in Nigeria or not?
If I may say, we are not practicing democracy in Nigeria, because to me, democracy is the people speaking their mind and the leaders hearing them and putting them into practice. But what I'm seeing today in Nigeria, we are not practicing democracy. It seems as if we are practicing anarchy, because at times, some things I'm seeing in government today, in fact, I'm not really happy. So to me, I'm speaking my mind, we're not practicing democracy. Because the leaders are supposed to listen to their subject, I mean the public, and then whatever they say is this, what they want. At least, if not 100%, at least the leaders should do at least a greater percentage of what they want. But what we are seeing in Nigeria today is otherwise.